Are you looking to streamline your social media management or automate your content distribution? In this video, we'll compare Heropost and Repurpose.io, two powerful tools designed to enhance your online presence. By the end, you'll know which tool aligns best with your needs. We'll explore their features, provide step-by-step tutorials, discuss pricing, and weigh their pros and cons. If you're interested in trying either tool, check the links in the description below for free trials. Let's start by understanding what these two tools actually do, because while they sound similar, they're made for different types of users. First up, Repurpose.io is made for content creators. If you make videos, podcasts, or short-form content, this platform helps you automatically publish that content to multiple platforms: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, LinkedIn, all without doing it manually. It's all about automating the process of reposting and distributing your content using set and forget workflows. On the other side, we have Heropost, which is more like a complete social media management tool. It lets you create posts, schedule them in a visual calendar, manage multiple accounts, collaborate with a team, and even use built-in AI tools to generate content. It's very much aimed at social media managers, freelancers, and agencies. So the difference? Repurpose.io saves time by automating what you already created. Heropost gives you a dashboard to create, plan, and post everything from scratch. Alright, let me show you how each tool works. First, let's walk through Repurpose.io. Step 1. Create your account. First, click the link in the description to go to the sign-up page. Once you're on the site, click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. A page will appear where you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address, whatever's easiest for you. With the free trial, you'll get 14 days to use the platform. During that time, you can publish up to 10 videos or audios to your favorite social platforms, completely free. Once you're in, you'll land in the dashboard. And that's where the real magic starts. Let's move on to the setup. Step 2. Connect your social media platforms. From the dashboard, go to the Connections tab. Click Add a Connection and select your source, e.g., TikTok, Instagram, or a podcast feed. Then link your account. Then add your destinations like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or Google Drive, and link your account again. You can connect multiple platforms at once. Step 3. Create your workflow. Now let's create your first automation. This is the key step that tells the platform where to grab your content from and where to send it. After connecting your social media platforms, click on Create Workflow. You'll be asked to choose a workflow type. For most people, start with Repurpose Future Content. This means anytime you upload new content, it'll automatically get published elsewhere within 2 hours. Next, choose your source platform. This is where your content is coming from, e.g., Instagram. Then choose your destination platform, where you want the content to be posted, e.g., YouTube. Once both are selected, click Create Workflow. Boom! You've just automated your first social media posting workflow. Use the content calendar inside Repurpose to schedule posts at the perfect time for each platform. Now let's look at Heropost. It's a little different because it's focused more on planning, writing, and managing your social content. Here is how it works. Step 1. Sign up. Again, use the link in the description to sign up for the Heropost free trial. That way you unlock full access to the tools right away. Step 2. Connect your accounts. Go to your dashboard and connect your social media platforms. Heropost supports Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. Step 3. Create a workspace. You can set up workspaces to keep different brands or projects organized. This is really helpful if you manage clients or multiple businesses. Step 4. Schedule content. Go to the content calendar, create a post, upload your image or video, write the caption, or even generate it with Heropost's AI, and then choose which platforms it should be posted to. You can schedule posts for the future or add them to a queue. Step 5. Analyze performance. After your posts go live, you can head to the analytics section to see how they performed. Things like engagement, clicks, impressions, and more. It's not automation in the same way as Repurpose.io, but it gives you complete control and flexibility for multi-platform planning. Now for the pricing breakdown, just so you know what to expect after the trial. Heropost starts at just $9 a month, which is insanely affordable. They also offer tiers at $12, $19, and $29 a month, depending on how many features and accounts you need. It's really built with affordability and scaling in mind. Repurpose.io is a little more premium. Their plans start at $35 a month for solo creators, $79 a month for pro users, and $179 a month for agencies who want to manage lots of clients and accounts. But again, you can try both for free using the links below, so you don't need to decide right now. So here's how I'd sum it up. If you're a content creator who makes videos, podcasts, or any kind of long-form or short-form media, and you want it to go live automatically on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and everywhere else, Repurpose.io is going to blow your mind. Set it up once and let it run. But if you're a social media manager, part of a marketing team, or an agency working with multiple clients, and you need to plan, write, design, schedule, and analyze everything in one place, Heropost is the better fit. You can try both tools 100% free right now using the links in the description. That way you can test them yourself and decide what works for your workflow. And if you want me to do a deep dive tutorial on either tool, or show you advanced tricks with workflows, templates, or AI content, just let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials and reviews, and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.